Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Alta Lofts, Los Angeles, for lease. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. On the LA Loft blog, live work industrial warehouse style lofts for lease at Alta, Los Angeles. That's 200 North San Fernando Road. We've heard that some Alta Lofts are coming up for lease, and they are spacious, industrial, live-work lofts with large balcony outdoor spaces and southwest views. Enjoy high ceilings, concrete floor, big windows, large bathrooms, closets, laundry hookups in the units. The kitchens feature granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, gas stoves. Alta Lofts building features historic Art Deco architecture, along with modern additions, fitness center, social room, barbecue, secured entry, and 24-hour security patrol. Social room and fitness center are probably closed at the moment due to the virus panic and hysteria. Social room, barbecue, secured entry, 24-hour security patrol, secured parking space, and guest parking, free guest parking. Walk to restaurants, shopping, Metro, Gold Line Station, Elysian Park, Arroyo Bike Trail. And these lofts, the units are around 950 to 1,000 square feet. And these kind of lofts usually go for around $2,150 a month to $2,300 a month or so. All right, so get a free list of lofts for lease. Just fill out this online form and get Live Work Loft new listings in your email. It's free for sale or for lease. All right, thanks for listening. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.